Welcome to this channel. Have you heard about this popular hashtags as a content creator, as someone who wants to start creating content, as a new YouTuber, and you want to grow on YouTube, right? Have you been using this? Why are you complaining? My video is not getting views. My videos is not going viral. These are some of the problems. Now, I am going to tell you the list of these popular hashtags. But at this moment, have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe and drop your comment for more videos. Number one, hashtag YouTube. When you post your videos, in your description, under your title, do you put it? Because this is the two places you can put these hashtags. Do you put hashtag YouTube? That is number one. The second one is hashtag SEO. Do you put it? Check other great and top YouTubers. They put all this. You are complaining. Hashtag SEO. The next one, hashtag tutorial. Now, if you are creating short, hashtag YouTube shorts. Hashtag short videos. If you are creating vlog, hashtag vlog. If you are under health and lifestyle, hashtag healthy lifestyle. All these things will help your video to be pushed out there, for YouTube to push your video out there, for your video to get recommended, for people to search for your video and your channel and they will see it. If you are creating comedy, hashtag fun, hashtag funny, hashtag funny comedy, hashtag funny skits, hashtag viral, hashtag travel. If you are under health fitness, hashtag fitness. If you don't put them in your descriptions, if you don't put them under your title, how will your videos be pushed out there? How will people be able to search and get you? You are complaining. Let's try and put them. Do well to subscribe, drop your comments, and watch for more videos. See you. Bye. And any video you want me to put out there, especially on anything on how to edit on YouTube, let me know in the comment section. But make sure you subscribe. See you.